Hello, ghosts, goblins, and ghouls. It's me, Zipporah, and welcome back to Digimon Cybersleuth. That's what we're doing today. Playing some Digimon. I've been a little absent for a bit because I've been doing, preparing for the Halloween special. That's what I've been doing. And I've also been watching, JoJo's, so. Let's do this one, because it's a 1-star. You can just do this one. Well, also... Oh, okay. Just open up this one, then. Do I have to talk to her? Okay. The party, chat player. Okay. Case. Ask Miri. Who the fuck is that? Is that this lady? Yeah, it is. Okay. Yeah, I've been to Kowloon. I've been there. Nah, Digimon are very cute. Discipline. Okay, this is actually fighting someone. Okay. Okay. Somewhere on Kowloon level 2. So I have for it now. Okay. I think I can beat him. I think I can beat him up. I can beat him up. I can beat him up. Okay. We have to go to the top floor so I can access a DG line because it's the easiest one to access. Let's fucking go to the Eden. Let's go. Kowloon level 2. My big Robobot. I forgot about how big my Robobot was. Who's texting me? Who is texting me? Fuck, I don't know shit about Japan. Let's go with this one. Because it seems like the most short, for sure one. We're supposed to sprint in this game. Although I do run pretty fast, so I think I'm okay with it. Ultimately, at the end of the day, I think I'm okay with it. It's that guy up there. Let's get him. It'll take me a hot minute to get up there. Come here, you. Alright. Gotta fight the kitties first. Light damage. Okay, this was a lot of damage. Yeah. Very nice. Grenade! I love launching grenades at things. Alright. Well, we could almost digi-evolve my little caterpillar guy, so... We could do that. Just talk to the hacker. Let's talk to him. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Can I beat the shit out of him? Do I actually get to fight him? Oh, I actually get to fight a trainer. Wow. Oh, he's got two little bat guys. Oh, they don't do very much demi darts. Don't do very much damage against my light type, which must be Demi Devilmon. Light damages a lot against them, yes, as I assumed. Fire doesn't hurt devils, so electricity makes sense. I'm glad I have this game is an easy thought process. Okay. Nano Machine Break 2. I think it's actually faster to go this way. I don't remember, but it might be faster to go this way. The fucking ogre. Do this one. This one hurts a lot more. Okay, he's dead. Good job, everyone. I say good job, everyone, as El Backflip does all the work again. I hope we get more, like, hacker fights like that in this game. Although, from what it's looking like, we might not be getting those. Yep, go to the Digilab. It's easy to go to the Digilab from here. Oh, okay. We have to fight all 29? Oh, okay. I do kind of like Devimon, so I would kind of like that as a Digimon. Okay, and now we have a important decision to make. With Smoke here, we can evolve him into two Digimon. This one, or this one. This one looks like it's an attack and speed one, and this one looks like it's a defense and intelligence one. So do we want to do defensive, or do we want to do attacking? Well, I thought of a fun thing for this. I've got a coin, and I'm gonna flip it. Heads we do the defense, tails we do the attack. And I think I lost the coin. Oh, there it is. It's heads or tails? It's heads. Which one did I say is which? Let's do this again. Heads is defense, tails is attack. Heads. So that's the defense one. Okay. Seems like we're doing defense. Yep. Whoa, that's a cool guy. Look at this motherfucker. Prevents paralysis, hey. Look at this guy. I think I'm gonna make a decision, by the way. Oh, it is Tokyo, okay. I want to make a decision with my Digimon. Okay, I'm just gonna revert all their names except for Elbach Flipa. Because I am actually more interested in what their actual names are on. Actually, no, I'm actually just way more interested in what their actual names are. Kaduman, Kabutiruman, Kaduman, and Garuman. We got some cool guys. Also, let's see what our new guy can become. That's not our new guy. That's our old guy. Kabutiruman. Oh, he can become the bird guy. Got some new ones. Okay. Level 30. I like this. Look at this guy. Gardumon, we want to turn him into, like, probably this one. So he needs to evolve a lot. And then... Kudamon. I don't know what we'll do with Kudamon. I think we'll be able to digivolve him very soon, so... And Toy Agumon... We're gonna do something with him. And it's not gonna be War Greymon, like so many people want me to do. So many people, I mean one person. God, he looks super menacing there. I think I finished that case. I don't know. I killed the one hacker that she asked me to kill. Do I have to kill all 29? Okay, I did finish that one. Well, Yuri, we're not doing any more of your cases because I've learned that they suck ass. We're gonna do this one because I think this is the next story case. We already had the air conditioning side episode. Um, covertly? Oh yeah, this is sneaking. What do you mean by covertly? I don't really need to know all this shit, because I just really don't care. Okay, I have to go ask groups of thugs from the street. Okay, I have to go to Kaloon, okay. Okay, I thought the game wanted me to, like, actually go out in the street, but... You know, I'm glad I would just get to go to the Digi World again. I think we'll start with, we'll start with level 1 of Kaloon, and then we'll keep going, you know? Till we find the right guys. God, I really do think this bug guy is cool. We do need to have some more Digis on our party. So, you know, next Digi that I see that I like, I'll put it in, like, the party thingy. I think I've already seen both these guys, so... I'm not too interested in them. Nano Machine Break 2. Better Nano Machine Break. Cool. Good job, everyone. Toyagumon. Sit in the background there. You do something. This guy, does this guy have what we need to talk to about? Oh, he doesn't know anything. I forgot that people usually have like locks on them. Alright, well we are up to Kaloon level 2. This guy looks like he is a good guy to talk to. This guy right here. He didn't really say much. He's like, hackers, blah blah blah, hackers, blah blah blah. Mm. Let's fucking blinding ray them. Blinding ray. Go. I didn't really see our new guy's attacks that much. I think that's just because he's kind of slow and not going first. But that's okay. He looks cool. And that's what's important. You know? You don't have to do much if you look cool. That's why I don't do much, guys. Because I look cool. This guy. Oh. Damn. I thought it was going to be that easy. Next guy we can talk to is up there. Oh, and this guy. Bro was like, make sure you tell me, actually. Let's talk to this guy up here. Oh, that one made the doo-doo-doo-doo sound. Hmm. Okay, hacker. Okay. Police hating hacker. How is he in the Digiverse world? What? Hmm. Okay. Well, take that L, man. I'll do what I want. Take that L. I'll do what I want. Bird. Change Knuckle. It'll also kill. But I didn't kill. Okay. I probably should have killed Birdmon, but oh, well, I don't really care. Well, I care if she's outside by Bug Guy, because he's weak to birds. Because he's a bug. Oh, this makes him faster! Okay. Then you can just do Crescent Leaf. Yo, combo attack. He does a combo attack. Nice. Very good job, Mr. Bug Guy. He's got a very nice cheer as well. Okay, I don't know where to go though. I don't know where that Shijiki place is. I still have to leave here because Blinding ray, kill. 2 times damage. Nano machine break. Kill him. Alright, well. Ooh, 80 electric damage. That's pretty good. Electro shocker. Now, why did his do times 2 damage and Gardumon's didn't? They're the same type of move. Were they not? That's how I'm gonna answer. Were they not the same type of move? Okay, Electroshocker has a little lightning tips in it. Yeah, they are the same moves. That's really weird, huh? Actually, do I have any held items? Equipment. Oh shit, I do have held items. Held items that I didn't even see. High combo rate. Reduces defense with intelligence penetrating. Well, we don't want that for our guys. I haven't used any items yet, so... You know, I don't really see a need to. If items are really good, I'm really sorry for not using them. Okay. Man, leaving air is slow. Okay, cool. First attack. Cool. D-grenade! I love D-grenade. It's so funny. Because he just fires a grenade at them. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. Okay, log out. Need to actually like find out where he is because he's somewhere, right? I mean, of course he's somewhere, but where do I go? Go to Shinjuki. Okay. Nanaka. Shinjuki. Got to find this weird hacker man's. Now where is he? Where is the hacker man? That's a dead end. Why would I even go there? Zip over. Ha ha ha. Everyone laugh. Everyone laugh at the zip joke. They're not funny. I'm kidding. Sometimes they're funny. There's a map spot, so out there's a good option. Over here, nothing there. Okay, nothing there. But this guy, he looks weird. Head straight from here and go to downtown. Head straight from here to go to downtown. Did I get the quiz question right? I pressed literally every button on my keyboard. Not on my keyboard, on my controller. Before I opened up the thing. No. Well, I think I've talked to everyone. Do I go downtown? I can go downtown? Shit, I didn't know I could do this. I want to check out the shop. I've never been to the shop. Ooh, shoot. This is outfits. Yo ho 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 ho. Shit. You know what? We will look up all the t-shirts, all the shirts in this game, like soon, and we'll just, you know, we'll we'll do that. Hello there, Mr. Officer. We'll buy the clothes that I think looks the best. Okay, but the access point to the station courtyard. Sir, hey, sir, I don't know how to tell you this, but you're not. Is it this guy? He's someday I'm definitely gonna. But yeah, yeah. I'm not against police, but I definitely don't think they're cool. This guy's new. No, I'm not a cop. Oh, I thought that was the T slur, but that's just tyranny. I was like, what? How did he know? Oh, oh, God. Let's fucking follow him. Follow his ass. Follow him. He's got a little. He's got a little guy. He's got a little guy. True. 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 I need to get home and watch my favorite anime. That's what I need to do. What's this little guy? What's this little guy called? He's weak. Um, Digimon. He's probably weak to light attacks, huh? Yeah. Um, Grass is usually weak to fire, so grenade. Damn, he's kind of bulky. Um, well, I'm glad all my Digis had moves that he was weak to. Very nice, everyone. I think it was a level for everyone. Yes, it was. It was a level for everyone. Very nice, everyone. Oh, he was being controlled by the guy. I think it was the police officer that we talked to earlier. Is this an ACAB storyline? Normal guy in a policeman costume. Okay. Hmm. That's illegal, actually. He should have so many fucking criminal charges. Well, it's illegal in America, at least. I don't know if it's illegal in Japan to dress up as police. The only time it's not illegal to dress up as a policeman is on Halloween. Which, I mean, if you're gonna pick a Halloween costume, policeman? There's so many options. Fairy princess, dragon, like, I don't know. I don't know Japan laws, so I don't know if it's illegal. Well, at least we saved that guy from a Digimon. At least that wasn't also a stealth mission. Yippee. I've done a lot of, fucking things. So, that sounds great. Oh, was that literally what I had to do, was finish the board? And the game was like, yeah, you know, there you go. What is it? What is it, Nokia? The phone. Um, oh, what do you want me to hear? You want to tell me? I'm a telephone. Is that what you're going to tell me? Is it you're a telephone? A cell phone, even?
何報酬さえ頂戴できるなら依頼人いやそういうわけにはいかない白峰のきやくんこの子はすでに報酬を受け取って仕事プロへの頼み事となればそれすなわち依頼に他ならない
Yeah. I'd like to be paid for my help.
つまるところ
Yeah, honestly, Nokia, if you're gonna ask for help, please pay me.
おで覚えてるでしょアグモンとガブモンのことどうしてもあの子たちのこと来ても私一人でクーロン行って探すのだから
Okay.
デジモンにご就寝とはさて
I think I can do that, I think.
うちの評判にも影響するかもしれない
Will that be a next time thing or a this time thing? Might be a next time thing.
尋ね人ならぬよろ私がいつもよりだが事実を告げるならば愛着を抱くことに関して人はとことん無頓着なのだな実に面白いじゃない
Okay. Kind of weird, but okay. Am I actually getting normal texts from the game and not fucking weird text? Okay. Galactica Park. She wants to meet at Galactica Park. I will not be there till tomorrow, so I will actually keep her waiting. It's like, please don't keep me waiting, and I'm like, of course I'll keep you waiting. That was my whole idea. I'm gonna keep your dumbass waiting. We do have one Digi-evolution possible, and this does look like the next continuation of the whole dragon thing. So we'll do that. Digivolve time. It's a bird! I lied to myself. That's not a dragon at all. That's a bird. I think I'm okay with that though. Kabutimon. We'll be able to Digivolve for a while, Kabutimon, so. Oh, we have to get more party memory before we can even Digivolve anyone. Does I have any items that will do that? Because I would like some items, maybe. No. Okay, well, I think that's it for today. What do you think of our new Digimon? We've got Kabutirmon, we've got Pac-Mon, and we've got Gardumon. And of course Toy Agumon, but he's not important. Next time on Digimon Cybersleuth, we'll save Agumon and Gabumon, so make sure to come back for that. And also, subscribe. And maybe, like the video. Bye-bye.